The Gulf of Mexico, and we're going to talk about that storm and where it's headed in just a minute. But a couple of other areas of interest that we're watching. Pretty strong wave coming off the coast of Africa here, and it looks like that will likely become a depression and probably even a named storm as the National Hurricane Center tracks this over the next 5 days and gives it a pretty high chance of developing into something tropical. And then also here into the extreme western Atlantic, it looks like this area has a fairly decent shot at developing into something tropical as well. But boy, the satellite presentation of Nicholas has really kind of exploded over the last few hours or so, and it's looking a lot better. It's got much better outflow on the satellite image, and that typically means that the storm is strengthening. So it'll be interesting to see if wind speeds come up with the next advisory, if pressures do drop. It's moving just a little bit west of due north at about 14 miles an hour, and so on that path, it is expected to move inland a little bit later on today. There's its location for Tuesday afternoon at 1 o'clock, and the National Hurricane Center still has it as a tropical storm, although a much weaker tropical storm at 1 o'clock on Tuesday. And then you can kind of see beyond that point, it continues to weaken and heads toward the Mississippi River. And so it does look like we'll at least see an increase in tropical moisture in our area in the coming days. All right, there's a look at the futurecast. This is at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Probably a little better chance, a little better coverage of, first of all, clouds and also some showers for the western counties tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, it really looks like we'll start to see some of that tropical moisture kind of moving in. And so a little better chance for some scattered showers as we head into the middle part of the week. Rain totals obviously highest further south through the week. But again, we could pick up a couple of inches here depending on the exact track of Nicholas as it does move inland. We're in the 60s and 70s right now. Today will be similar to yesterday, probably a little more cloud cover around, but about a 20% chance for some isolated showers today. And then notice those rain chances come up. We've still gone kind of conservative as we still kind of just see the exact track of Nicholas, but we could very well be bumping these numbers up quite a bit for Wednesday and Thursday with some showers likely, and temperatures should start to come down too a little bit. Still very muggy though much of the rest of the week. Right, Carla?
Okay, thanks a lot, Steph. It is 5:45 and we